Hey watchers, this is me, LGDC Narrow from BHM2F. So today we will be discuss about the tourism customer travel cycle. So let's go. So first, let's overview and highlight the topic, which is the tourism customer travel cycle. So the tourism customer travel cycle is a framework that helps us to understand the different stages a customer goes through when planning, experiencing, and reflecting on their travel. It is important for tourism businesses to understand this cycle, as it helps them tailor their products and services to meet the needs of their customers at each stages. So the cycle typically includes the following stages. So first, the inspiration, the second, research, the third, planning, the fourth, booking, and the fifth, pre-trip, and the sixth, on-trip, and the last is post-trip. The inspiration. So this is the initial stage where a customer starts thinking about a trip. They might be inspired by a friend's recommendation, a social media post, or a travel blog. So number two is research. The customer begins to research their options, looking for information on destinations, activities, and accommodations. So that's the research. Third, okay, so number three, planning. The customer starts to plan their trip, choosing the destinations, activities, and accommodations that best fit their needs and budget. So the number four is booking. The customer makes a booking for their trip either directly with a tourism operator or through a travel agent. So number five is the pre-trip. The customer prepares for their trip, checking the weather forecast, exchanging currency, and packing their bags. So number six is on trip. The customer is on their trip, experiencing the destinations, activities, and accommodations they have chosen. So the last is post trip. The customer reflects on their trip, sharing their experiences with others and providing feedback to tourism operators. So these cycle stages is important to understand the tourism customer travel cycles. So this can help tourism businesses tailor their marketing efforts, improve their customer services, and enhance the overall customer experiences. So letter B. So let's identify the culture elements, which is the art, beliefs and values, geography, language, law and politics, and religion. And what are the impact about the topic. So when it comes to travel, cultural elements can play a significant role in shaping a customer's experiences. So here are some of the key cultural elements that can impact customer travel cycle. So first is the art. Art can be a major draw of tourists, with many travelers visiting museums, galleries, and historical sites to experience the local culture. Art can also influence the design of hotels, restaurants, and other tourist infrastructure. So the number two, the beliefs and values. So different cultures have different values, and this can impact the way travelers experience a destination. For example, some cultures may have strict dress codes or dietary restrictions that visitors should be aware of. Okay, let's proceed. The number three, which is the geography. So the geography of a destination can greatly impact the travel experience. Mountains, rivers, and coastlines can all offer unique opportunities for outdoor activities, while urban areas can provide a different kind of experiences. So the number four is the language. Language barriers can make travel more challenging. but they can also be a great opportunity to learn about a new culture. So many travelers enjoy immersing themselves in local languages and dialects and trying to communicate with locals in their own language. So, the number 5, law and politics. So, the political and legal systems of a destinations can impact travelers in a number of ways. For example, some countries have strict visa requirements, while others may have different laws and regulations surrounding activities like drugs or alcohol. So, the number 6 is the religion. Religion can play a significant role in shaping our cultures, values, beliefs, and practices. So, travelers may want to experiences religious sites and festivals, or they may need to be aware of local customs and tradition related to religion. So these are just a few examples of the cultural elements that can impact the customer travel cycle. So by understanding and respecting the local culture, travelers can have a more authentic and enjoyable experiences. So last is letter C. So as a future tourism and hospitality management professional, how can this topic be applied in my future endeavors? So as a future tourism and hospitality management professional, the tourism customer travel cycle can be a valuable tool in your future endeavors. So the cycle consists of several stages, including the dreaming phase, the planning phase, the booking phase, the experiencing phase, and the sharing phase. So in your future career, you can apply the tourism customer travel cycle in various ways. So for instance, you can use it to understand the needs and preferences of your target audience. Tailor your marketing strategies to each stage of the cycle, and you create personalized experience for your customer. So, here are some specific ways you can apply the tourism customer travel cycle in your future endeavors. So, first, understand your target audience. So, by understanding which stage of the cycle your customers are in, you can tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs and preferences. For example, if your customers are in the dreaming phase, you can create inspiring content that showcases the beauty and culture of your destinations. If they are in the planning phase, you can provide them with practical information and recommendations to help them plan their trip. So, number 2, create a personalized experiences. By understanding the needs and preferences of your customers, you can create personalized experiences that cater to their individual taste. For example, if a customer is interested in trying local cuisines, you can recommend the best local restaurants and provide them with a list of must-try dishes. So number 3, use data to improve your services by analyzing the data from your customer feedback and behavior. You can identify areas for improvement and make data driven decisions to enhance your services. Like, for example, if you notice that many customers are dissatisfied with the booking process, you can streamline the process to make it more efficient and user friendly. So the number 4 is the build customer loyalty. By providing exceptional customer service and creating personalized experiences, you can build a customer loyalty and encourage repeat business. For example, if a customer has a positive experience at your hotel, they are more likely to return and recommend it for their friends and family. So the last is the number 5. Leverage social media. So social media can be a powerful tool in the sharing phase of the cycle. Encourage your customer to share their experience on social media and use their feedback to improve your services. By engaging with your customers on social media, you can build a community around your brand and increase customer loyalty. So this these examples are the tourism customer travel cycles can be a valuable tool in your future endeavors. As a tourism and hospitality management professional, by understanding your target audience, creating personalized experiences, using data to improve your services, building customer loyalty, and leveraging social media, you can provide exceptional customer services and create memorable experiences for your customers.